Hey guys, it's Jake Mace, the vegan athlete. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My friends here have a beautiful home in the Scottsdale area. And what they've chosen to do at their front and their backyard, in fact, their entire landscape, is include a bunch of edibles. Not just fruit trees, but herbs, in-ground planting, raised bed planting. They've done a great job showing what's possible in a Phoenix, Arizona area yard. So I want to bring in my friend Carob from Bob's Life on YouTube to show you guys every edible tree, plant, and herb growing here very quickly. So get your notes out, write it all down, and this video will show you what's possible to plant in your landscape, in your front and your backyard in the Phoenix, Arizona area. Carob, take it away.
Meyer lemon tree, Lisbon lemon tree, honey tangerine tree, bootwall lemon tree, kumquat tree, Arizona sweet orange tree, grapefruit tree, Bear's lime tree, pomelo tree, Katy apricot tree, Katy apricot number 2, white Pakistan mulberry tree, Florida Prince peach tree, Snow Queen nectarine tree, Ariana pomegranate tree, Tropic Snow White peach tree, Moringa tree, Jujube Chinese date tree, fig tree, passion fruit vine, pansy flowers, Dorset golden apple tree, lemon basil bush, and pansy flowers, Mexican oregano, rosemary and mint, pineapple guava, and sweet basil, pineapple guava, Mexican oregano, double delight nectarine tree, Panamint nectarine tree, Santa Rosa plum tree, rosemary bush 2, rosemary bush 3, pear tree, purple Pakistan mulberry tree, pear tree number 2, green fig tree, grapevine 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3-in-1 fruit cocktail tree, plum nectarine peach, loquat tree, dragon fruit cactus, mint 2, mint 3, and rosemary 4. Mint 4, Swiss chard, Dorset golden apple tree 2, and Mexican oregano 2. Eggplant, fig tree number 3, artichoke, fig tree 4, sequoia strawberries and white strawberries, Swiss chard, Ava's pride peach tree, orange tree, roses, dragon eye long on tree, Barbados cherry tree, pomegranate tree 2, banana palms, finger limes 1, finger limes 2, pomegranate tree number 3, pecan tree, moringa tree number 2, moringa tree number 3, mulberry 1, 2, and 3. All-in-one almonds. All-in-one almonds 2. Ever-bearing mulberry. Aloe vera 1 and aloe vera 2. Prickly pear cactus. Hong Kong orchid. Brazilian red peppercorn. Brazilian peppercorn number 2. Elephant's food 1 and 2. Lantana. Hibiscus. Thai basil. Sweet basil. Hibiscus 2. All-in-one almonds number 3. Katy apricot. Brazilian peppercorn number 3. Hibiscus 3. Hibiscus 4.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this garden video. Say thanks down in the comments to my friend Carob with Bob's Life on YouTube. All his social media is down below. This video was also a quickly edited video to show you guys what's possible in a Phoenix area landscape, front and backyard, if you want to grow edibles. So definitely watch it again, take your notes, and everything you saw in this video grows well here in the desert. And if you guys plant it with a little bit of luck, and some skills and some consistent hard work, you guys can grow the same stuff and feed you and your family in the front and the backyard. Go vegan, grow your food at home. Check out all my links down below. You guys can support me and my videos on gardening by clicking on my Patreon or GoFundMe down below. And I'll see you guys back here next time. Yawn tree. Rolling.